Looking for a natural remedy to soothe cold and cough symptoms? Look no further than this simple homemade onion syrup recipe. With just a few ingredients, you can whip up a powerful elixir that will help alleviate your symptoms and boost your immune system. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1 red onion, 1-2 lemon juice, 1-2 cup pure honey. To make this homemade onion syrup, follow these easy steps. 1. Start by peeling and chopping the red onion into small pieces. 2. Place the chopped onion pieces in a clean glass jar and squeeze the juice of half a lemon over them. 3. Pour the pure honey over the onion and lemon mixture. Honey acts as a natural cough suppressant and throat soother, making it an ideal addition to this syrup. 4. Stir the ingredients together until well combined, then cover the jar and let it sit at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. 5. Once the syrup has infused, strain out the onion pieces and transfer the liquid into a clean bottle or jar. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, and there you have it. With just 3 simple ingredients, you've created a potent remedy that will help you feel better in no time. Give it a try and say goodbye to cold and cough symptoms. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes like this one.